Let's make some Texas Twinkies and finish them off with Redneck Riviera's 1776 barbecue sauce. This sauce is made by Red Gold and is a family-owned company that was established in 1942. Let's get started. In a bowl, combine a block of cream cheese, a tablespoon of your favorite barbecue rub, and 2/3 cup of cheddar cheese. In a halved jalapeno, you'll fill it with the cream cheese mixture, leftover brisket, and then you'll wrap the jalapeno with a piece of bacon. Then you'll season the outside with your favorite barbecue rub and take it out to the smoker. The smoker is preset at 275 degrees, and I'll be cooking these poppers for 90 minutes. After that, I'll remove them. I'll glaze them with 1776 barbecue sauce, and I'll return them to the smoker for the last 25 minutes. As a vet, I love that a portion of all proceeds supports Folds of Honor. This nonprofit provides educational scholarships for those spouses and children of our active duty heroes left behind in the pursuit to protect our American freedom.